Managing AWS LightSail instances is challenging due to the lack of centralized tools for visualization, monitoring, and resource management. Cloudshot solves this by providing infrastructure diagrams, real-time monitoring, and easy management of disks, firewall rules, and commands, streamlining LightSail operations. Let's get started. If you'd like to view the network diagram of your AWS Cloud account, simply click on the AWS Network Discovery option. A pop-up screen will appear where you can select a region and, optionally, add a tag key and tag value. After clicking Show Deployment, the AWS diagram will be successfully generated. This will allow you to visualize and analyze your AWS network structure with ease. If you want live monitoring, click Yes. To learn more about live monitoring, check out the live monitoring video. If you want to control an LightSail instance, first select it and then right-click. From the menu, choose Cloudshot AWS. You'll see controlling options like Start, Stop, and Restart. In this case, we'll choose to stop the LightSail instance. Once the instance stops successfully, you'll notice its color changes to gray in the interface, indicating it has completely stopped. To execute a command on your LightSail instance, first, select the instance you want to manage. Then, right-click on it to bring up the menu. From there, navigate to the Cloudshot AWS option, and you'll see the Execute Command feature. Simply click on it. To open the command interface, where you can type your command and deploy it effortlessly. After entering the command, simply click Deploy to AWS to execute it on the selected instance. Here we use the ls command, which displays a list of files and directories within the current directory. Once the command executes successfully, you'll receive a notification. Head to the notification panel to review the output of the executed command. Now, let's execute another command on the LightSail instance. Use the shortcut button for quicker access. Just click on it. After entering the command, simply click Deploy to AWS to execute it on the selected instance. Here, we use the pwd command, which outputs the full path of the current directory you're working in. Head to the notification panel to review the output of the executed command. Cloudshot simplifies port management for secure and seamless cloud operations. To create an IPv4 firewall rule for an instance, first, select the LightSail instance and right-click on it. From the menu, choose the Cloudshot AWS option. Then, click on Manage Port and select IPv4 Firewall Rule. This will open the configuration window. Create rules to open ports to the Internet or to a specific IPv4 address or range. To add an IPv4 firewall rule, click on Add Rule. Select the application type you want to a specific IPv4 address. The default protocol and port range will appear. After filling in all the details, click Add. The rule will be added successfully. You can also add a rule using the shortcut key for the specific port. Let's try this amazing shortcut key feature. Click on port 1521, Oracle RDS, and the rule is added successfully. To modify a rule, simply click on the edit icon, make the necessary changes, and save them. If you want to remove a rule, click on the delete icon. And the rule is deleted successfully. Now we will check how to manage disk ensures seamless management of your storage configurations. First, select the instance you want to manage, then right-click on it. From the menu, choose the Cloudshot AWS option. Next, select Manage Disk and choose Attach Disk to attach the disk to the selected instance. A pop-up screen will appear where you can select the desired disk. All available disks that can be attached to the instance will be listed in the dropdown. In this case, only one disk is available for attachment. Click Deploy to AWS to attach the disk to the instance. Once the disk is successfully attached, a prompt will ask if you'd like to update the diagram to reflect the changes. Click Yes to refresh and view the updated diagram with the attached disk. The updated diagram now reflects that the disk has been successfully attached, providing a clear visual confirmation of the change. To detach a disk from an instance, follow the same process as attaching it. Thank you for watching.